Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and this is the December Daily 2022 album. And this is my intro page. I'm going to keep it very simple and use the products from the new holiday kit from Studio Calico. And I already shared this one on my Instagram. I was trying to get a little bit of work done before I sat down and edit videos. Editing, it's kind of like tedious and it slows me down a little bit. So I like to film a lot and then I like to sit down and edit. So I have a few videos now. I think I reached day 2 and I'm not gonna do much to this intro page. I am going to add the title December Daily using these beads that I think I got from Amazon. And I'm sorry, my throat's a little bit scratchy today too. And I'm gonna stamp 22 using the Jack, I believe it's the Jack number stamp set from Studio Calico. And I'm gonna use the items that I use. I'm gonna link the items that I used below, and most of them are affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And I love this stamp set. And one thing about Studio Calico is that when they run out of a stamp set, you can click notify, and most of the time it will come back, especially if it's something very popular. It's like alphas and numbers are very versatile. And as always, this is a new stamp set, so I'm going to use my eraser on the number 2 to get rid of that film that new stamps have. And then I'm going to add ink, clean it up, then ink it and stamp it, and it looks so gorgeous. And I wish I could do a comparison, between not using the eraser and using the eraser. It also depends on the stamp too. When they're really good quality, it will be very similar. I'm quite picky, so one thing that I didn't take in account was that maybe I should have threaded the needle through the page and then add the letters and then close it. But I think this way was better also because I got to see exactly where all the letters were going to be. So I just got the knot that I had at the other end. I'm using the Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue. It makes the tip kind of pointy and together. It's like hair gel for fibers and thread, so that way it's easier to put it through the needle and I don't have to use my saliva because ew. And I also heard that if you use saliva, it's like pure water, so it kind of expands the thread. I don't know how true that is. I'm not very good at sewing, but it might be something to consider. And this needle is quite small, and this is like a thread that I had. It was like double or triple, so it was kind of difficult to put the whole thing through. And I'm just going to put regular tape to hold the threads. I want it to hang just lightly, a little bit, not too much. So that is why I was also looking at the front. I'm just going to add more tape so it doesn't come undone, so it doesn't slip. And you're not going to notice it because on the back I'm going to cover it with a paper for a smaller layout. And I was looking for items to put in the squares, and I love this. You could have taken this, cut them, and put them in the 12 by 12 page protector, not 12 by 12, sorry, the page protector that is 6 by 8, but it has 12 2-inch square spaces, and that could have worked too. But then I have to think about the next layout that goes behind it, and it was going to be more difficult for the photo that I was going to use. So this one worked out perfect. I'm just going to use some elements from the chipboard stickers, and I think I'm almost done with this chipboard sticker sheet. It's really cool. And even though it's very simple, especially for my style, I like to add everything in the kitchen sink. But I think that with the busy patterns, with the embellishing, with the beads. It's quite already, not a lot, but it's almost getting there. I love these hearts. And if you are in the subscriber, if you're one of the subscribers for their kits, they had these hearts and the kit in the add-ons. They also had a bunch of kits for $10, which the Let's Stay In was tempting because it has so many good items, but I decided against it because I already have one and it's really awesome. So I'm gonna use it, and when that's done, it's done. I do have the digital version of the cards, which is something that I love about Studio Calico. Lately, I think they're also doing a digital kit. So if you're a hybrid kind of scrapper, that would be really awesome too. And this circle was perfect for this little sort of puffy scallop circle. And my album, honestly, it's already full. So I'm really hope that I don't end up doing 2 albums. I don't want to do it, but I might. I don't know why I took so many photos. I thought that by doing a lot of collages, I was going to be like saving so much space, and no, I wasn't. So it is what it is. In the list, I wrote the names of the people in my family and I marked them all nice, which sometimes is a big fat lie depending on what day you ask me, but yeah. And I love these stickers from Doodlebug, the one that I use for the little candy in the middle, peppermint candy, and I use them a lot. And this is very simple. Second video is going to be a lot longer because I like to complicate my life, and if you're being a subscriber for a while, you already know that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It helped me start, soft and easy, and I enjoyed it a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.